Did you know that some Christmas foods can actually help you achieve that coveted glass skin look this holiday season? It might sound surprising, especially when the holidays are synonymous with indulgent treats, sugary desserts, and heavy meals, but the right festive foods can do wonders for your complexion. Today, I'm taking on the challenge to find out which Christmas foods can leave your skin glowing, radiant, and smooth just in time for the holiday season. As we dive into the festive season, it's easy to get caught up in all the delicious foods around us. From pies to roasts, cookies to creamy sauces, the temptation is everywhere. But have you ever stopped to think about how these indulgences might be impacting your skin? Winter can be harsh, with dry air and cold winds leaving our skin feeling tight, rough, or dull. On top of that, rich holiday foods loaded with sugar and dairy can lead to breakouts, inflammation, and dehydration, leaving your complexion looking lackluster. But it's not all doom and gloom, because the holidays are also a perfect time to nourish your skin from the inside out with the right ingredients. Let's start with some colorful veggies that often make an appearance at holiday dinners. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body and helps repair skin tissue while giving your skin a natural glow. Sweet potatoes are another powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A and C, they support collagen production and help keep skin firm and smooth. Spinach and kale are leafy green heroes, loaded with vitamin C, E, and antioxidants that protect skin from damage and promote a luminous complexion. Bell peppers, especially the red and yellow varieties, are bursting with vitamin C, which helps combat dryness and supports collagen synthesis, making your skin soft and plump. Now, let's talk about fruits. Cranberries are one of my favorites this season. These tiny berries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that fight inflammation, boost collagen, and promote a radiant complexion. Blueberries are another gem, rich in anthocyanins that protect skin from oxidative stress and keep it youthful. Pomegranates are festive and vibrant, packed with vitamin C and E, which shield your skin from environmental stressors and help maintain an even tone. Clementinas and oranges provide a juicy dose of vitamin C, improving skin elasticity and hydration. Apples, especially baked in holiday pies, contain vitamin C and polyphenol that keep skin supple and glowing. Nuts and seeds also deserve a place on your plate. Walnuts are full of omega-3 fatty acids that maintain skin hydration and elasticity. Almonds provide vitamin E, which protects skin from damage while keeping it soft and smooth. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty, offering omega-3s and hydration-boosting compounds that make your skin feel plump and refreshed. Pecans and pumpkin seeds also deliver a mix of antioxidants and minerals that nourish your skin from within. For indulgent, warming holiday treats that still benefit your skin, consider incorporating cinnamon and ginger. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties, supporting even skin tone and reducing redness. Ginger boosts circulation and helps deliver nutrients to your skin for a natural glow. Dark chocolate, when consumed in moderation, is rich in flavonoids that improve skin hydration and firmness. Honey, often used in glazes and desserts, contains antioxidants and soothing compounds that support skin repair and softness. Even your festive drinks can play a role. Warm cranberry or pomegranate juice provides antioxidants and vitamin C, hydrating your skin while keeping it radiant. Mulled wine, in moderation, offers resveratrol, a compound that protects skin from aging and environmental stress. Coconut water, often used in holiday mocktails, is hydrating and full of electrolytes that support glowing skin. Other festive foods worth mentioning include avocados in holiday salads, packed with healthy fats that nourish and hydrate skin. Salmon, sometimes served during holiday dinners, is loaded with omega-3s and protein to keep skin supple and firm. Greek yogurt, whether in dessert or breakfast spreads, contains probiotics that support gut health and indirectly improve skin clarity. And don't forget pumpkin, whether roasted or in pies. It's loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin A for smooth, radiant skin. So the key takeaway is that the foods we enjoy during the holiday season can either work for our skin or against it. By incorporating antioxidant-rich vegetables, nutrient-packed fruits, hydrating nuts and seeds, and skin-loving spices into your festive meals, you can give your complexion that coveted glass skin glow even amid all the indulgence. Remember, cranberry, pomegranate, carrots, sweet potatoes, berries, leafy greens, nuts, and even small doses of dark chocolate or honey can make a noticeable difference. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite holiday food that you think helps your skin glow? Have you tried any festive recipes that leave your complexion radiant? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips, tricks, and recipes that combine delicious holiday flavors with skin-loving benefits. And who knows, your favorite recipe might just make it into a future video.